Hello everyone, it's YAC270 and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an average of 5 on my Qiyi Warrior W, and also I'll review it simultaneously. So yes. So now I'm gonna do my first solve, and this solve is not that good. This whole average is not that good. Now as you can see, I'm doing a white cross. That's the only cross I can do, and I was inspecting first already, so I didn't inspect it for much longer. And as you can see, the cross took me 7 seconds because I had to organize the colors later. And you can see I have done 2 pairs, and now that took 5 more seconds, and now I'm doing my last pairs. That also took 5 more seconds. I did OLL and then I did PLL, and this solve came in a whole of 27 seconds. Yes. And as you can see, the main thing I take time with is the cross and the F2L. So as you can see, now I'm scrambling for my next solve, and yeah, I done the scramble. Now I'm inspecting. This cross was supposed to be easy, but you can see why I screwed it up. And now you can see I didn't solve the blue first, which could have been easy, but I did something else, and that took me 6 seconds. Then my first 2 pairs got out of view, and then oh my god, and then a little while later, yes, I'm doing my third pair. The third pair is done, and then the last pair, that took me a total of 14 seconds for F2L. Then I did 2 look OLL, and then what can you imagine, I had an A perm. How bad can it get? As you guys just saw, that solve was as bad as it could be. Whenever I get a bad solve, it's mostly like 30 seconds. And you see, I did another scramble, and this cross was very easy, but you know me, I screwed it up. This cross just had orange and red swappable, and a blue was flipped, but I inserted it the wrong way. So you can see the cross took me around 5 seconds, and then the most problem I have is during F2L. I can't recognize the colors, but once I recognize the pairs, I can easily do everything. So you can see I did OLL, and I also messed up F2L, but in the end I got 1 look PL and I did it. As you can see, now I'm doing my third solve, and in the solve I had a very easy cross, which I did in less than 4 seconds. And then I had some very good pairs, and I inserted them as quickly as I could, and F2L was complete in 10 seconds. Then I got a 1 look OLL, and that took me 4 seconds, and then 2 look PLL with a G perm. That took me 7 seconds exact, to be 25 seconds total. That's my usual average, 25 seconds. And when I get bad solves, it can climb up to 26 or 27, but 25 is mostly the usual. We're getting to the last solve, and the cross was extremely easy. It took me only 3 seconds, but I did a 2-second pause to look at my first pair, and that got me to 2 seconds up, which means I did 13 seconds in F2L. And then, as you can see, I got a 2 look OLL. That took me 5 seconds more, and then a Z perm in which I messed up. I didn't know where to move, and then after all, I did 26.